Welcome to this guide on replacing your 2025 Toyota Camry key fob battery. Your key fob, whether it's a remote or smart key, relies on a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery to function. This battery powers all the key fob's wireless communication, from locking and unlocking doors to starting the engine. The CR2032 is a standard 3-volt battery, inexpensive and widely available. You'll know it's time to replace the battery when you notice decreased range, weak signals, or buttons that don't respond consistently. Replacing the battery yourself is a simple, cost-effective solution that avoids dealer service fees, typically saving you $50 to $100. The 2025 Toyota Camry uses two main key fob types, remote keys and smart keys. Remote keys use radio frequency signals for basic functions. Smart keys add hands-free unlocking through Bluetooth and near-field communication. Smart keys may drain batteries faster due to constant scanning. To replace your Toyota Camry key fob battery, you'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is the standard battery type for most Toyota key fobs and is widely available at auto parts stores or online retailers. For tools, a flathead screwdriver or even a coin will help you gently pry open the key fob case. Optionally, wear gloves to avoid transferring skin oil to the battery contacts, which could cause corrosion over time. Locate the small notch or groove on the back of the fob. Insert the screwdriver or coin into the notch. Gently pry the two halves apart. Be careful not to damage the plastic clips during this process. First, pop out the old CR2032 battery from the key fob. Note the orientation with the positive side up, indicated by the plus sign. Replace the exploded view to visualize the removal. Now insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, ensuring it's seated properly for good electrical contact. To reassemble the key fob, align the two halves and snap them together firmly. Make sure the plastic clips engage properly to create a secure seal. Now, test the key fob by pressing the buttons. The LED lights should flash to indicate proper functionality. This confirms the battery is correctly installed and the fob is working. If the key fob doesn't respond, double-check the battery orientation. Ensure the positive side is facing up and the battery is seated correctly in the contacts. For smart keys, if the fob doesn't work after battery replacement, you may need to reprogram it. This can usually be done via the Camry's infotainment system, under Settings, Vehicle, Keys, Add Key, or at a Toyota dealer. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, the issue might be dirty contacts. Clean them gently with a soft cloth to ensure good connection. Consider upgrading to Toyota's app-based digital keys for potentially longer battery life and additional features like remote monitoring through the MyT app. Always dispose of the old CR2032 battery properly at recycling centers or through battery recycling programs to prevent environmental impact. If you're unsure about any step or encounter persistent issues, refer to your 2025 Camry Owner's Manual or consult a certified Toyota technician to avoid voiding your warranty.